when you have that thought, you sit there and you welcome it. You go, you're back. And there's different frames, but one is, this is my body getting ready to perform. And by the way, if you've got a bit of maturity, it's like, this means a moment's coming that I'm really going to be living. Because again, when you follow leaders when they're much older, when you follow athletes when they're much older, they look back, they're like, those were those moments that I learned it and I grew, but I was really alive. And so now you're like, oh my gosh, I want to look for those situations. Like last week.
So hold on a minute. If a person, myself, yourself, is in touch enough with the voice in your head or the emotions or that inner dialogue that's not necessarily helping, that's really great. So that's like a signal to say, hey, this is an 8% moment that's coming. That's really great. That's really rich.
It is. And it's, by the way, this is where life is really, I won't say lived. We want to be in every moment. We do. Like, that's kind of the goal really in life, in my opinion. But this is that signal. I like the way you just described that. It's a signal that says, hey, this is a moment where we are truly living. And again, having now, like when I think of the first Olympics that I went to and the first work I did with athletes, I think, gosh, I don't think I did very well, honestly, because I'm like, there's so much wisdom I did. Not that I have great wisdom now, but I just know I have a little bit more than I did then. But this is a big one, right? Because if you can go in and you're like, hey, this is a moment to really live in, to live with joy, to be joyful. Think about a leader who shows up with a real pressure moment. And okay, maybe they're not singing and juggling things, but they walk in with a joy. It affects everyone else in the room because we know emotions are infectious. This is how we get to that higher level of potential, because everyone goes, oh, okay, my life's not on the line. Because that's what it is. Seth, you know this. We spend so much of our time, a lot of our bandwidth, taken up by impression management. How are we coming across to others? Are we respected? Are we loved? It just gets in the way. And so we need tools to manage that. And when we do, all of a sudden, we can do anything. We're like, let's go. Like right now on this call, we can just be our free selves. And I feel like we have, like, you've got some great questions. And I'm like, oh, wow, interesting. Like, I didn't think of it that way. Signal, great. Like, stuff like that, right? It's so exciting.
Thanks for stopping in and watching this video. If you found it helpful, you can find others just like it at the link below. And subscribe while you're at it.